Welcome to Factorio Modded. We're doing SpaceX K2 and well, patched to 0.4 last time. I need a satellite in orbit around the sun and around an asteroid. Now I've got an asteroid base, but it's kind of far away. And the sun, well, I don't have it all, so I need to get these little satellite things around the star. So I can bring a bunch of space probes with me. I just realised that this is not requesting the space probes. Got room for like satellite rocket. Maybe like I think one's enough actually. Don't need storage. And we got this probe. This satellite probe thing. Could actually put the shield protector on my ship as well. Try it out. Here's this probe thing here. Where they stack. Yeah, so basically all my tech's gated again. It's being re-gated. So I'm just doing like productivity research for now because I've got it unlocked. I've got these two to go. Got productivity 10. Could go grind out. Well, actually, no, I can't even get that now. I used to be able to get productivity 9, but I can't get that because of the deep space. Yeah, so I can't get the intermediary, but okay. Can't get that. Yeah, so we can't get lots of tech now because we've been gated. Why is it storing nutrient vat? I have no idea. But there should be satellite rockets. I thought I have some available. I built these three here. Set up probe rocket silos. This is the builder. There's one there, and it says is set up probe rocket silos available. Maybe it's not in range of the robots. No, it definitely is. So why is this not requesting it? Alright. Oh, it's rocket silo. That's the wrong one. I need satellite probe. I need a satellite probe. I'll start set. Where is it? Probe. Here we go. Think on them. Cool. And satellite probe rockets. They should be available. Maybe because they're produced in these things. Ah, that's blue chest. Okay. Can't put them in there. What was Just move this out of the way. And go put these into a chest for now. Gonna stop making these anyway. We realize we can't use them, so there's not much point building more. But I'll send these along to my orbit. I've already built them, so I might as well use them. And I could bring along the probes actually, so I can launch some. So the probes is not the asteroid belt probe, the star probe. So I put star probe into the spaceship. Maybe into here, star probe. Star probe. Yeah, we've got a couple. So I should be able to get that space probe rocket. Probably fit a few of them in here. I think it's one per slot though, so that's how long it takes to build that thing. Why is it not built? There it is. It's just a bit slow. And these will get stolen. Oh my god, my logistic robots are dying. Shit, I didn't realise. So I got a cascade fail on my logistics robots on this planet. It was before, and it's really annoying solving it because you gotta figure out what resource is not actually being produced properly for the robots. So it looks like batteries are not getting produced, and Why is that? Why am I not making batteries? Got batteries getting made here. Maybe it's getting used into there, not going into... There's some batteries over there, which is a bit awkward. Don't get them, it's just a bit slow. It's slower than my death rate. I think the death rate's increased now they fly faster. I don't know why that would be. I'm just a robot, I'm definitely not making many. This is too slow. This is it's not normal speed. Do want to speed this up then. Put it on faster speed. Now my save game size got a bit bigger because it's auto scanned an area, which is a bit stupid. Didn't want that to happen, but it happened. I could do... No, it's fine. Just tunnel. And we'll put the speed Gonzalez down. What's that speed at? Oh, it's really speeded up by that one. That's not good then. We have to move another one out of the way. We'll just move this one. That will work, I think. Why is that not getting power? That's very strange. Either way, we're going to get some extra speed there. Can my robots deliver? That's a question. Like, they're a very long logistic robots. I could release a bunch. But it was faster. It's going to struggle. So we need this belt. Come on, robots. Good job. Meanwhile, we've got 140% research. Hey, that doesn't seem right. I thought it was 139%. Now it's going to get speed 5s. I got some speed 9s. I was actually going to get speed 5s in the rest of the slots. Maybe I'll do that before I leave. But let's solve this little bottleneck. I might just do it myself. This is a bit slow. Don't worry what's about to do it, but it seems like they're busted. Desperados are really bad with the robots. Once they stop producing, they just keep getting worse and worse and worse. Nothing gets built. So now it's just limited based on the speed of the hopper arriving. Which means that these reduce a lot faster. Means I should get more robots. So as long as that number of logistic robots goes up, we're okay. I think about 500 will be nice. I do have some spare, but maybe I stole them from the list. They do fly faster. I really think the faster speed makes them die faster. They seem to be dying really quickly. I mean, where do the robot speed makes them die faster though? You'd think it would make no impact. The numbers are going up now. Where they keep going up is the question, but I think we've solved it. I mean, we just need to make sure we have enough copper coming up to space. A lot of batteries going to this chest as well. I don't even know what I use the rest of the batteries for. But we could definitely limit that to 1 stack. Is that what he filled? Oh, it's already got enough requesting? Oh, I just had so many leftover greens. Okay, that was fun. I might want to make that a bit bigger stack. Maybe this could be 100. But I'm running out of sulfuric acid to contain it. What's the number right now? 5 or 6. Okay, we'll solve that. Yeah, we have to fly. I have to launch my spaceship to the sun, start a base up, and then launch a rocket to join me. And that's my plan. Can't fly inside, really. Alright, do we have the goodies? I requested. Oh, we got some space probes. And the rocket solo. What about the we've still got 3 star probes. Good start. Probably good enough to start. Might just save this. And we're gonna fly to the sun. We colour this orbit. Shouldn't be too long to get there. So engage. Reckons 6 minutes, 5 minutes. I don't know. Okay, where my some laser damage. So it's 3 minutes 58 to get to the solar orbit. So I'm leaving the Nautilus gravity well. What are the star maps actually updated for this view? This travel. So this is. Oh my god! Look at that! It's actually got a thing on the map. My ship's leaving Nautilus and going to the center of the gravity. And then it's going to fly towards Calidus. That's cool. Then went to Ixion. Well, I might have gone to Ixion to pick up something, but interesting different percentages in these planets. I like our tulip. Tulip's a good planet. So I've got Ain, Norvis, Akos, Tulip. Do I have Beaumont? Beaumont? I think I went to Beaumont briefly. I didn't stay there though. I have to put another base in this Calidus asteroid belt one as well. I went to Beaumont to steal stuff. And then went to these ones. I went to Gannis. I went to Shu. I went to Cream, but I left. Yeah, there's nothing there anymore. I mean, these other planets, we don't really want to scout them, we don't have to, you know. Constants I'm living on, so it's fun. Actually, a lot of little shitty moons of constants. And Mountain's the other one, which is a great planet. Coronia would have been good for the Coronite. I don't really need the Coronite. What was that? Oh, it's remeasured. Yeah, so over here we've got the Isis solar. It tells you what the solar is on these things. So the cosmic dust lands where I am. I think Thelium or Breadcrumbs is where I wanted to go. Thelium's got the Nequitite. Heaps of Nequitite. Breadcrumbs pretty good too. Cosmic dust lands is actually quite shit on Nequitite. But we've been doing alright here, I think. Oh yeah, I was trying out the solar thing in orbit. I had it started up here. Is it actually working now? Got steam and condensing steam. Oh, I can't release the steam. The 500 degree steam because I got no condensing turbine. So I'm gonna build that. I'll show a whole turbine factory. That's fine. Oh, we got a bunch available. So condensing turbine. No steam turbines. Steam. No steam engines. Okay, there we go. We got everything available now. What's the output? 7. I guess it's okay. I think these numbers are a bit high though. So I'm not going to make, you know, endless amounts. This is a limited amount, so you kind of don't want to waste it. So we'll get the condensing turbine, and then we'll be fine for this experiment I tried out. We've got 7,000 degrees here. Got the water. Got the temperature thing. So we'll see how we get the power. They're supposed to make a gigawatt of power. So it's making nothing in, but it must have worked for like a few seconds. No, it doesn't work because the loop isn't completed. It's going to destroy this 500 degree steam of the condenser, and then it'll go back into the loop and go around circles. So it's 4,000 steam units at 5,000 degrees. What the ratio is there? It's a bit strange. So you get mostly the hot stuff and a little bit of the cold stuff. So might need more of the condensing turbines than I've got. That's my little spaceship. Looks like it's fine. We are at my destination. We'll just go park up. We could go further along. This is the whole place. Nothing really here. Just blank, all a wasteland. So. Oh shit, I'm suffocating. Oh, it's got an achievement. About trying. Okay, switch gears on space. Alright, back on land. Alright, so we need to build a landing pad, of course. The first priority. And we want a storage. Gonna need some tiles down here. Some space loaders. Sweet, so now we got Alpha. With the Kildeus landing pad. Now we can build some big house setups. Oh, I don't know how far away we're going to build them though. We get us the solar basically. So I've put a huge solar field and send up this space material. Did my mics? Oh, my mic's still working. Okay. Don't know where it's gonna break this recording though. Tune into it. Tune into it. Seems fine. We're okay. Oh, it's not my mic on to my lap. It fell out of the USB. Alright, so let's go build some space tiles. How many tiles is that? It's almost all my tiles, isn't it? And what's my spaceship? I'm gonna use my jetpack. Got quite a cool little trail now. Stuff here is great. There we go, nice little starter point. And get some of these flat tiles down. I might better use the blueprint. But it's a bit small to start with, isn't it? How much power is that? 136 megawatts. Are you shitting me? Wow, that's so fucking good. Holy moly, 30 megawatts a tile. Wow. Okay. So we might be fine. For power. We have a tiny little area. Now I don't know where I brought defenses. I don't think I did. It would have been nice if I did. And we would need the radar construction drone. Cool. So we got like shit tons of power. 121 megawatts. Amazing. Cool, so we put down might not even need this high temperature exchanger I was going to send up here. I am going to need rocket silo though. Now I might better fit it on here. Not quite fit. Can't tell like where you can build, not build. So can't build there, can't build there, can't build there. Okay, so it literally does have to connect to be building that tile. Build there. Can't build, can't build. It's weird, so there's like these ones here, you can't really see them. They are not buildable. Yeah, that's better. I'm just trying to get flat edge, that's all. I don't need my rocket silo. Not quite right. Oh, don't fly off. looks good. Alright, let's get a rocket head. And we need a satellite, little satellite thing too. This has got to go back to where it came from. Now it's orbit. You should use a space probe rocket. Yeah, might as well. Do a green signal launch. Getting that belt's gonna be tricky, but this is a starter, you know. I can be here for a while. Too much jetpack on. All space vapors. This is not running power on this. It's about 18k. So we could do energy beam receiver. I actually don't need it because the solar panels are so good. Now we do want this stuff. Good rockets, you know. And we're gonna need a signal receiver and sender, but I've already got that on my. Cool. Alright, so put that down. Some more tiles below. So what's the channel this is going to be? This is receiver for Sol. And transmit channel. Oh, this is channel 1. I think channel 1's going to go next to that. Yeah. Cool. I will need defenses for this place at some point, but now I need to get the satellite launch. This thing. It's a bit more tricky now. We probably could use the same landing pad and just go straight into it. We can just go straight above. Might save time. It's the best option or not, but. Can not build those tiles or what? No, they're fine. Oh, that's empty, that one. There we go. Some space loading for the rocket probe. We got rocket probes. It's loading up. No, we can't probe module it, but we can speed module it if I want to. I think it's worth speed moduling actually, because it's only, what's the speed on that? 33 megawatts. Yeah, it's fine. And we're going to give it some request chest. What do we? Or just, because I'm going to rocket launch it, right? So this is going to be like the Sol filter. Oh, it's supposed to be the Sol filter. What's the name of this satellite? Is Star Probe. So it's Star Probe filter. Star Probe rocket. It's actually not rocket, it's space probe rocket. There's only 2 items I need to go into this rocket. And the other way back is for... I need to get down there actually. So... do a tunnel. Oh, and then we just load it up. And that will load my rocket up with tech. I think the tech will land in here. This rocket's got to go back on my Navas. Let's go my first one. I need to get the star. I have to manually do it for this first one, I think. Solar. Oh, it's actually star. Should pick it from here, but it seems like it doesn't want to. I have to go pick it up. Too slow. We could probably walk around the ship for future landing. If I'd done dock and clamps would be better, but Star Probe should be in here. Take them. Those. We've got 3 of them. Not too bad. That's better. We need to walk there. Alright, Star Probe. Cool, we're gonna our first, the sun should now, in theory, go around the star and give me a first new version of Electroscience 4. So I'll just do a quick save. We'll launch this little probe. It should return science for me. I'm gonna return, I have to make signals and all that to count it and send it back, and I have to make rocket fuel here, or send rocket fuel tanks to arrive and go into there. Fuel up that one. There's gonna be rocket fuel barrels. Now that's going to be also filled with rocket parts, so I need to process it. So basically like Cosmic Dustlands, but it's easier. Cosmic Dustlands actually needs this condenser turbine. There's no solar output here, so this is harder. I have to use the condenser turbines. The sun one's easy because you don't need to worry about the lack of power. You can just get that. So I do need one of these big things. And we just, well, until we just bam it down here, but to get some files first. Gonna fit? It's not gonna quite fit. Another couple tiles. fine. Other problem is we're going to get barrels. We don't want to deal with barrels. But I could send them back in the spaceship this time. Because we have not much room. I mean, the barrels, mostly we can get rid of, I think. Let's send them back into the spaceship. Sweet empty barrel. Here we go. So I'll load up with empty barrels. This is going to be one of these is going to have to be rocket control. Sections and space controls. I'll load the spaceship up with parts of it, and the remainder could do the control part. I mean, power-wise here, this is pretty damn OP, really. 191 megawatts. So much power, it's not funny. What else are we going to do? Need those barrels. Oh, let's go launch my first new rocket. See if it works. Should work. See what happens. So this should give me science packs. In theory. I probably will need to defend this place. I could bring along some defences. Or else live dangerously. There we go, we've got the science probe data. And it's already going into the spaceship. That's awesome. So we get 3,000 this before I leave, which is nice. I've already got these star probes. Don't get any more. Let's go check inside the spaceship. Just trying to avoid running off the side. That's why I built this walkway. Alright, so nothing in there we need. We could put robots here for repair packs and stuff, I guess. Oh, unnecessary, they'll just die. Yeah, it looks fine. I thought I had more of those rocket things, but it turns out we don't. Parachute water launcher cargo. But basically only going to send these plus fuel and anything else. I mean, we could do ammo. I mean, not ammo, the defense turrets. We can craft these. Very slow to craft, but we'll Let's build 1 of 10 ammo for now. That's gonna be nice. So that's that. That's gonna make all these barrels that are gonna deliver back. Now this thing needs the cargo rocket sections, which we don't have. Let's launch that. Does it have the does it have the this? Ah, it does. So now I'm going to send off a rocket from Navis. Does this work? I can't tell. It looks like it works, but you know, because the amount of water's gone up. The 500 degree steam is too high. I might need more of these. It's outputting condensing steam as well. Oh, that's what you use to consume it, that's fine. There we go, consume all that. I got 900 of that. We've gobbled it up. That's gobbled up the, okay, so that might work, that might be blueprintable. But that's not what we came here for. We actually came here to get another rocket going. So this one, that shit in there is no good. Why is it not loading up with only 160? And we also need rocket fuel. Don't need all that stuff, that was all previous fail. We need to get these heat pipes and heat exchangers and energy beam receivers out though. So I might just do a white steal them. How's my robot's going? 342. Oh my god, it's got worse. What the hell? I thought I fixed it. How's it got worse? Now I've got no electric engines. Because I've got no green circuits. Why not? This green circuit is right there. Oh, I don't understand. Where the green circuit's not going in? That's so stupid. We need batteries. I mean, we've got this batteries backlogged and this thing doesn't go. Alright. So I need lots of rocket fuel barrels. Now I'd rather not send it from here actually. I'd rather send it from the ground, which means I'm going to send it from Navis. I've already got this one. This one works out quite well. That's on automatic sending. Now 4500. I don't know how far the distance is from this, because we haven't built a rocket here. I should do the rocket first. What's that? Oh, how'd the bodies get in there? Got right. Who's this biggie? Right into my base there. No lasers. Getting there or what? About there. Yeah, okay, fine. We need to get a copy of this basically. copy that. Now we could do the unpacking one. I actually want to use this one here actually. That was a better... That was kind of a waste. Let's see if we can invert it if it works. We're going to Caladeus. What's the distance? 91k. That's cheap. That all day long. That should be 160. 4,500 in fuel. We don't need 4,500. We actually need we only need 90 actually, but we'll do in case it crashes 135,000. Oh, actually 135. No, that's right. There's only 15 a barrel, right? 9,000 is really 180 anyway. Do 270. That should be enough fuel. It's gonna go to this. Hey, where's the... Oh, it's Calamity. Caldas. Got Alpha. 97% chance. It's pretty good. Quite happy with that. Just to make sure we have enough cargo rocket sections available. And then we should be able to fire it back and forwards. So it does crash though. I might want to have robots at their end to pick up the crashed goods. I'm gonna need like 100 robots, I think. And a thing. So we need a robot. We could put one over here. Seems very good there. We have to make a slither. No room. Come on, guys, do your thing. And then this other one. Be anywhere around here, fine. There. Put some robots in. Well, not they're all in. I think 100 construction. Then they pick up stuff on the ground. To logistics. We'll put in my defense. And give it a requester in case. Oh, sure, you can change the mode with Alt or Tab or something. I can't remember, there's a way of changing these. Okay. We'll request them even though we don't send them here. But we'll request the ammo. In case we add it to this. I could add it to this. I mean, this is enough defense for this. I'd like more than these. Just one of them. We want to actually bunch them. One, two. I think this will do. That'll be fine. I'm just gonna make sure I get these things here. So I gotta send 5 immediate point defenses in my rocket from Navis. do a count as well, so I don't overload it. And the ammo for it, we'll bring it at 250. More the merrier, right? I think got 60 available, but that's fine. Fuel, looks like that already got 320 barrels, so says we got, we're getting a barrel. I got more than that. One barrel is 50, right? I only need 90,000. In theory it's 180,000, which is 880 barrels. That should be fine then. Okay, that'll be fine. So we've got the 10 of them. I only want 5. So isn't it? Go load the ammo on then. We don't need 10 defenses. Oh, that'll keep going. What else do we need? We could do in the old robot. I can do like count to top up. It's a lot of planning though. I mean, I can do it manually for now. Otherwise, I can do something that lasts for a long time. But I think this little base here is the easiest of them. Set up for research. I mean, this has already got heaps of star probe data. I can bring back to research electronic force. The main thing is getting the loop going. We can keep doing this. And we've got the robots. Don't even use the transmitter yet, the signals and stuff. Then I can leave my spaceship, go back. Important going with the spaceship in the first place though. It does make things a lot easier. The other thing I could do is actually use this to make power. In this place I can actually build down a whole, like for the whole place of solar power, right? Because this is 1500%, whereas now this orbit 529%. So as far as percentages goes, let's say 16 20, but it's 3 times better than where I currently am. So I actually beam power to the rest of my solar system from here. If I use the energy beamer. I haven't brought the materials here to build it here. But that would be useful. Anyway, we should probably launch this rocket. I think we don't have as much ammo as I want, but this is all set up. It's about the robots really. How many robots do I want to bring? We got them, that's fine. We do want to bring this, but that's for the other rocket in the Navis orbit, which we don't have. Where's my stream info? Very soul, yeah. Even those ones are at 4.1 megawatts. It's great. Alright, let's go launch it. No reason not to. Once we launch it, we can hitch a ride. So I kind of want to... I might hitch a ride in the spaceship actually. This should be launched. I think this is going to be... How many bits has it got? 160. Should be enough to get back. Let's have a look. We'll find out soon enough. If it works, it'll arrive here, and I'll have enough pieces to send my science back in one piece. Oh, look at that. That was quick. Holy shit, that was real quick. Only 45k to get back. Where's the rest of my fuel then? That's not cool. It's got 100 in that. But why is it not... Oh, it's a yellow inserter. Ha! There is. I'm just gonna make lots of barrels go back for me. It's okay. Now, I actually don't need the extra carry section, so I really shouldn't put them in if it goes beyond. So I should, in theory, not use this, but use an inserter. And that's good for the initial filter. Then this one be a green inserter. Well, not green, actually, yeah, white. For the two things I want. There we go. I'll take them out for now. We'll do a count, so only just 100 of one thing. Oh, let me do that. So cargo. 100. Must have taken it away. This should request them back. Enough fuel? No. Okay, so I've seriously miscalculated the fuel. I've only got a third of the fuel I needed with that barrel request. It's a bit awkward. Why is it so low? You know, I can just fuel up with this, which is fine. But that's not what I intended. Hook it into here? I probably should be able to. Not sure I can. It doesn't work so well. Go from up here down to... No, it doesn't work either. Damn, it's too close. Ah, that's annoying. Is that too close or too far? Okay, so that's going to fill up my spare fuel, but that's not the way I intended. Why isn't that getting moved over to here? Oh, they got no output. There we go. Defenses. Now these should get some ammo. They've all gone to the one. This one's got 10. He's got nothing. Well, it says I got 10 each. That's a lie. Here we go. Did I get some? I got 50. I don't want 50. I'm actually gonna go to them. That's good. Now we could go send the cargo pods back. That's kind of like a junk item. Now the fuel on this should be done, so we can send this to Navis now. The barrels we use. Now, fuel wasn't right, so I've done something wrong with the math here. So 50 liquid rocket fuel per barrel. I think I was off by a factor of 10. Out of 270, I think I need 2700. Oh, it was a third I got. This thing here. That's what I need. I need 45,000 fuel divided by 50. It's 900 barrels. Okay. So like this, like 1350. That'll be fine. Anyway, we can launch this back. Now it's pretty safe. Do a green signal of this as well at some point. And then we have to send up, we have to automate this. Pretty automatable though. Oh, we're gonna check the orbit. We're gonna check Navis. Do we have space? We do. Okay. So for now we can drain this fuel, but we don't really want to. How's this going? Is this full? It's got enough, it reckons, so we can do a logic on this to be even 10s, I think, to be enough. Very small required thing. We'll automate that next time. Let's just get enough fuel. Got two of these ones of space probe rockets available. All these space probes to use. Now I should have lots of research in these on these things. This thing, right? We got the star probe data, so That's meant to be used in Space Energy 4. Now I can make the better version of that Energy 4 now. Haven't got around to that yet though. So that's the Energy 4 thing there, the extended catalog. So the Star Probe, 3000. The rest of them are 200, so we're fine for a while. We've got plenty of science 4s with that. That's gonna last a while. That's a lot of Star Probe data. I do want to automate it though. It's kind of, you see this fills up with fuel. We have excess. 17k excess. Okay, that looks like it's good. Plus we've got barrels sitting here. Filled up barrels, so more than enough. This has got meteor point defense left over. Oh, we got too many of them. Oh, silly me. So this is supposed to be cargo. Oh, don't shoot shit. And space. Let's just sort out this buffer here. I'll do too much of it. I won't be able to land more spaceships. Oh, that's ready. So now we just don't want to send it unless we got enough research, which we didn't send any, because that's from the space orbit, which we don't have. So we're ready to go once we get the this thing, that rocket going, star probes. We're going to do the logic as well on counting, like we did the other time. I might do that offline. I don't feel like doing that online. I might just do a pause here. So I'm gonna be back.